Hello friends, welcome back. This is your own coach Amandeep Singh, and today we are going to talk about fear of failure, one of the most dreaded word and it's in every person. हर आदमी किसी ना किसी चीज़ के लिए डरता है, ये फेल हो गया तो क्या होगा, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ मैं फेल हो जाऊँगा. हम सबके सपने बहुत बड़े हैं. वी ऑल हैव अ बिग ड्रीम्स ऑफ विद अस. वी वांट टू attain big dreams. Somebody in a business want to attain his business to very high levels, and another person who is into job, he wants to increase in his career. कैरियर में वो ऊपर बढ़ना चाहते हैं, प्रमोशन चाहते हैं, एक ऊपर के लेवल पे पहुंचना चाहते हैं. अ पर्सन इज प्लेइंग अ गिटार, म्यूजिक. He wants to increase in music. He wants to play in international forums. Another person is an artist. He wants to perform and plays in a very international forums at a very national level. So each and everybody have a big dream in himself. When he's at present level, he has to take some actions to go to this level. He has to increase the actions. But to go from here to go there, it requires a big determination and actions, a very heavy file over there. Now what happens is, we as a person, when we think of start taking of actions, what happens is, first of all we have to get discomfort. And when this discomfort starts, the mentality of a human mind says it doesn't want to get out of its comfort zone. हम comfort zone से कभी नहीं निकलना चाहते. हम अपने काम पे जाते हैं, सारा दिन वहाँ अपने रूटीन नॉर्मल रूटीन स्पेंड करते हैं, शाम को घर आते हैं, आराम करते हैं, नेटफ्लिक्स चाहिए, टीवी चाहिए, उसके बाद आराम से सो जाएंगे फैमिली के साथ. दिस इज द रूटीन ऑफ द टाइम. बट इफ समबडी सेज दैट यू हसल ओवर अपॉन दैट टाइम and attain something in your life, at that time when you get out of your discomfort, what happens is you are not able to achieve the thing. So this is the first thing. Second is, whenever you are going to take some action, what will happen is, a small inner voice of your mind will say you will not be able to achieve it, and it's present in each and every person. A person who knows about this and very well attained, they will sublime it, but others, it's very heavy. So what will happening is, it will start negating you. नहीं, तुम नहीं कर पाओगे, तुम नहीं कर पाओगे, तुम कर नहीं पाओगे, तुम ये खत्म नहीं कर पाओगे, तुम लोग क्या कहेंगे. What will happen is, your relatives will be coming to you and saying you, since they haven't experienced anything going on like this, so they will say that you will not be able to achieve this. Don't do this. Then what? It is a great time. The people will come to you and say, okay, नहीं हो पाएगा तुमसे. And then again, there is a fear of what will be the people saying about me. You don't want people to say, okay, ये शुरू किया था, ये फेल हो गया. You don't want people to say like this. Then what? So what happens is, a fear deepens into our mind, and you stop taking actions. When you stop taking actions, naturally your dreams can never be reached. So what? You have to work hard. You have to sublime your inner voice and check how you can start taking action on that. You have to increase your mind belief system over there. When you increase over your belief system, what will happen is, you will increase your work and get the things done. So friends, gear up, charge up, negate your mind, negate your fear, move ahead, get out of your comfort zone, and you will be able to achieve the success which you want to achieve in your life. Thanks a lot.